I know you can't wait and slap the backpack vacuum back at your bag and start working on it, but stop. All you need to is 10 minutes or less to get the most out from this backpack vacuum and ensure this vacuum can run for a long period of time. Because everything in this backpack vacuum is designed with a purpose. Hi, my name is Andy from DS Machinery. We are the master distributor for Numatic International in Malaysia. First off, lay down all the kit and accessory from the box. You should have one combination floor nozzle, more on that later, one soft dusting brush, one tool adapter, one threader hose, two aluminium extension tube, and one band tube with volume control. Then open the vacuum cover. You should have one Tritex filter and one HEPA flow bag inside. Next, which is important, there should be one safety catch for the cable. Make sure the cable go through the catcher. If it is not, here's how you can do it. Just loop the cable in, make sure you leave few inches between the safety catch and the vacuum unit. You must complete this before you start using the backpack vacuum. This is for cable protection in the event you reach the maximum distance of the cable length. It has this safety catch to protect the cable from disconnected from the vacuum unit itself. Once that is done, you can install this threaded hose to the vacuum inlet, then strap the vacuum back to your bag. There is this handy tool storage with Velcro. You can have it whichever side you prefer. Then adjust the harness and the waist strap to your comfort. We recommend you to have it close to your back or body. The power toggle switch, soft brush, and adapter can slot into the tool storage for easy operations. Then attach the aluminium tubes with the floor nozzle. You will notice one volume control at the band tube. You can turn this downward or upward depending on your height and your comfort level. What this volume control does is release suction pressure. Sometimes you may want to vacuum something soft or delicate. You may not need that much suction. Then you can open this up to get less suction. Don't worry, no dust will escape from there. It has a layer of foam there to ensure no dust leak out from there. The floor nozzle have two settings. Flat is for the carpet surface and with brush is for hard floor like marble, timber wood floor, tiles, etc. You can toggle them on the fly using your leg depending on the floor surface while you are operating. To replace the bag, just do a physical check, just pull out and slot in the new bag. If you think it's full or suction is weak, maybe it's just the bag already full. And do not operate without the bag and without the Tritex filter. One, it will cause loss of suction like this. Two, it will lead to vacuum motor damage prematurely because all the dust and dirt flows straight into the motor, causing the motor jam. Once you are done using the backpack vacuum, make sure you organize back the cable and store it right away to ensure cable doesn't trip any pedestrian in the storage, and of course, easier to get started when you want to use it again next time. For whatever reason, if you have any problem with your RSV150 backpack vacuum, please let us or your local AD know, because every single part can be ordered, repair or replace. Literally no one throw away pneumatics products. I suppose this is more green than the green product. Does it make sense? That's been it. I hope you have a great time using this RSV backpack vacuum cleaner, and smash the like button for us if you get something out of this video, and let us know in the comment section if you have any question at all. That's been it. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.